Bring me my money.
Get this money.
Welcome to Blissness Orbit. I am Bliss Zion and I am here to help you turn your business dreams into reality. If you want to start a profitable online business, learn how to trade Forex and cryptocurrency, and create sustainable passive income, you have actually come to the right place. On this channel, we are all about turning your side hustles into income streams and building businesses that actually work for you. What you will learn on this channel. Here on Blissness Orbit, you will get the tools, strategies, and step-by-step guidance to build and scale your business, no matter where you're studying. I will show you how to leverage the power of affiliate marketing, e-commerce and digital products, and of course, Forex and crypto trading to make money online. I'll also teach you how to generate passive income, grow your digital brand, and of course, work smarter, not harder. I'm going to be teaching you all of this with side hustles that actually pay. If you want to earn from home, diversify your income, or scale your businesses with Forex and crypto trading, I've got you covered. So make sure you click on that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of the actionable content that I am going to be sharing to boost your online income. You will learn how to start making money from home, grow your business online, and of course, master profitable skills in Forex and crypto. By subscribing to this channel, you will gain access to exclusive tips, actionable advice that will help you create multiple income streams, build financial freedom, and achieve your goals. When you subscribe, you are not just subscribing to a channel or just joining a channel, you are joining the Blissness community of orbiters, ready to take control of your financial future. Together, we will dive deep into profitable business strategies and discover innovative ways to earn from home, trade Forex, and invest in crypto. What you stand to gain as an orbiter is that you're going to be part of a group that is committed to your success. Whether it's learning how to trade, growing your online business, or diversifying your income streams, we are in this together. And if you want more tips on how to make money online, check out my other videos and much more that will be uploaded on this channel, where I break down actionable steps you can take today to start earning. And for many more tips, don't forget to follow us on all social media, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, where we share exclusive content and updates on everything you need to know about online business and profitable side hustles. So if you are yet to click that subscribe button, click that subscribe button right now so you can join the orbiters and become a champion. Thank you for joining the Blissness Orbit, where we are building profitable businesses and earning online. One step at a time, we're going to create that financial freedom together. See you soon in this next video where I teach you how this works, and remember, success is just one decision away.
Bring me my money.
Get this money.